We're here on the beautiful shores of Logan Martin Lake, just 30 miles east of Birmingham. The lake borders St. Clair and Talladega counties and is within 2 miles of Lincoln High School. Lake home living has become the choice for weekend getaways, rest and relaxation, and a simpler way of life called tiny house living.
Dr. Lacey had seen some other schools going into towns, remodeling houses. So we wanted to kind of do that aspect, but do it in a controlled environment. So building a tiny house actually allows us to do that, where we can control student safety and do it. And so we build these, and then they can be sold and moved off, and we can do it all over again. The good thing about the tiny house at the construction side of things, getting kids into career paths. So from the start to finish, we do everything. We've hired nothing out in this whole process. So students have framed, they've wired, they've plumbed, they're insulating. They'll paint it, we'll caulk it, we'll install windows and doors. Every aspect of construction, we read blueprints. So the goal of this is to get those kids to say, hey, I really like wiring, or I really like, doing the plumbing.
We have a teacher, his name is Mr. Yoder, and he doesn't come out here and do the work for us. He comes out here and he's more like a supervisor. So we do the work. We build the house.
On top 2x4 wall studs on 16-inch centers, 2x6 pine rafters on 16-inch centers. All joists we use, studs and rafters, are all strapped every 32 inches. The LP siding we used outside has a 50-year warranty and has hurricane straps just like a mobile home.